This Daignault Realty Incorporated property video is presented by Kemper Kefauver. Completely remodeled ground floor condo in a 4-unit building just over a block from the beach. Has washer and dryer in the unit, screened rear porch and open floor plan. Only blocks from Jetty Park and Port Canaveral. Water included. 6 or 12-month lease available. First month and 1-month security deposit to move in. No pets or smoking allowed. Each adult 18 years and older must apply separately. For more information, review the details below or contact Kemper Kefauver at 321-501-8836.